step it out. Hi! We have so many things to do, but there are too many steps to remember. We need your help to step it out.
Yeah, list out what you want us to do first. Then second, then next, and next, and next.
Until all the steps are in an order that works.
There are different ways to step it out. See if you can find them all.
Tap here to play.
What should we do? Make a sandwich.
Build a sandcastle.
Serve Snout a snack.
Get ready to swim.
Serve Snout a snack. How do we serve Snout a snack? Time to step it out! Here are all the different steps we have to do to serve Snout a snack. Put them in the order you want me to follow. Pour the water. Choose Snout snack from the menu. Give Snout his snack. Give Snout a cup. Give Snout a fork and a spoon. Tap the play button to see me do the steps in this order. If you want to change the order, just move the steps around. Step 1. Uh-oh. Step 2. Step 3. Oh. Step 4. Huh? Step 5. Uh-oh. Water went everywhere. Can you check your steps? Step 1. Yeah! Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Yep! Yeah! You stepped it out. Snout loved the snack you served. That's one way to do it, but there's not just one way to serve a snack. Play again to find a different way to step it out. Or step out other things we like to do. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Yep. Step 4. Step 5. Yeah! Way to go! You put together a different order that works. I wonder if there's another way to do it. Play again, or step out other things we like to do.